Freeze-proof faucet repair using the Woodford adjustable rod. The only tools needed for this outdoor water faucet repair are a flathead screwdriver and an adjustable wrench. Removing the rod assembly. Begin by shutting the water supply off to the faucet. Next, remove the handle by using a flathead screwdriver. Then remove the packing nut by using an adjustable wrench. Turn counterclockwise until the threads are completely out of the tube casing. If you have the brownish-white packing material, you may notice it will stick and will need to be gently worked out with a small flathead screwdriver. Work around the outer diameter of the packing material until it dislodges and comes out. Place the handle back on the rod without the screw and turn the handle counterclockwise 4 to 5 times so the threads are released from the back of the faucet. Remove the rod assembly by pulling out towards you. The check valve at the end of the rod assembly could provide slight resistance when coming out. However, a quick pull will release the rod assembly. How to determine the Woodford adjustable rod length. The kit includes all the necessary parts to upgrade your Woodford faucet. First, place the instructions on a flat surface. Begin by placing the old rod onto the instruction sheet to determine the rod length. Then, begin building the rod according to the appropriate length by sliding rod stems together in the color-coded order and secure 1 or 2 stainless steel clips inside the holes to secure the stems together. In this example, the most common 12-inch overall rod length was used and includes the 6-inch inlet stem, blue and red stems, and 2 stainless steel clips. Continue your outdoor water faucet repair by inserting the new rod assembly all the way into the tube casing and turn the handle clockwise in order to connect the rod at the back of the faucet. Keep turning until the faucet is in the off position. Next, insert the packing washer onto the rod assembly, making sure the flat side of the washer faces towards where the handle will be. Then, insert the black rubber packing either way onto the rod with a packing washer in place. Now, place the packing nut on the rod with threads facing the packing material and lightly tighten the packing nut with an adjustable wrench. Finally, place the handle on the end of the rod and attach the handle on with the handle screw using a flathead screwdriver. Now you're ready to turn the water supply back on to test the faucet. Place a hose with a pressure nozzle on it. Then turn the water on by using the handle. If the packing nut leaks, tighten down with an adjustable wrench until leaking stops. Look for more how-to and informational outdoor water faucet videos coming soon to the Eagle Mountain Products Company channel on YouTube.